Hello YouTubers, this is Edgar and welcome to another video that I wasn't do other of my videos since I was on break from my video for a few months. And this other demonstration video that I would like to show you right in a second. Well, this is my first video of 2021, which I will do my first video about the box fan since I used to have the box fan at the time. But the blade is broken when I tried to fix my blade for this box fan. If you watch my other video about the box fan that I made it back in 2014, you should check out my other video. As you can see, I'm in the garage right now when I'm filming this video, and this is what I got another one. So in this video I'm going to demonstrate is the Lasko Cool Colors box fan. So this is the box fan that I used to have. It has CFM with the shield on it. It has wind ring grill for focus airflow, and you can see the picture with the fan on it, and it has bring color into your space with a cool colors box fan. It says right here it has 3 energy efficient fans, and you can see the box fan to hang in the window, although it may be blocked by those stickers, the items in it. It then includes weather resistant monitor for worry-free window use, has 2-year limited warranty. And the color of the box fan is black, and with that items on it. Yep, you can see here's the front. Oh, it includes the steel body. As you can see, focus on that. Has built to last on it, and it's made in the USA. So this is the front, as I say, and here's the spine. That includes cool colors. That has Spanish also on that, and it has the blue plugs. And the other side that has the main language on it. Has mountain controls, easy carry handle, and it has the specs in here. So although it's something that we would want to demonstrate, here are the descriptions and the whole thing. You could also the floor on it. It has the inner tech, and it has a ROS compliant with that warranty on it. It is made in 2020 by Lasko. Yep, you can see what's in the box. That includes the that warning notice on it. You can see this is some sort of instructions here, and also on the side it says important safety instructions, read and save. That includes English and also in Spanish. And with that paddle included there. Yep. And it also came with the paddle to put in on the box fan in case you need it. But well, as you can see, as I forgot to show you on the top, the bottom, and here is the back. It has Spanish language on the back. So okay, now I'm going to demonstrate the box fan. So here are the knobs where you can tell you about the box fan. Here are this demonstrate right here. As you can turn on this fan, Although it's a little loud, but it's this is the high-speed fan. There's the high-speed fan on it. The medium, which is the medium-sized fan, and also the low. This is when you get something to the lower speed fans on this thing. Is I forgot to tell you one thing. Again, the high could be on number 3. The medium could be on number 2. And the low could be on number 1. And also, it carries with this when you carry in the box fan or something. Yep. You can see it on the back. That has the wires in it, as well as the motor in the back. Yep, pretty cool. Now I can turn off the box fan. So this is an amazing box fan. I used to have it as the ones I've been posted back in 2014, but this is the amazing box fan that everyone been enjoy. So there it is. That's the Lasko Cool Colors box fan. And that's my demonstration of the Lasko Cool Colors box fan. Everything the same features as a box fan that I used to have it, even if I don't need to use this box fan this time. If you enjoy my videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see more of upcoming videos soon. So with that said, this is Edgar 1976. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.